Good morning. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Viggy, and I make live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. Before we begin with the hunting video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Das helpt me in the channel tremendously. And also that you can be a channel member. That would be greatly appreciated. And wie man wird, we hit the join button. Goonish is stärker wie dein Geld. You get what I'm saying? Auch that is just of the chat. Sie do a link zu a Amazon product. Die das ist kaufen der product. But die kaufen schon an Sachen auf Amazon anyways. And die clicks the link. For the next 24 hours, ga ich bekommen a small percentage back von Amazon. Sie kostet hier gar nicht. Die sehen nicht der Gillig. Aber von mir in meinem Tasch macht es ein kleiner Gillig. So if you don't mind, die Geist ankaufen Sachen auf Amazon, gib es a Visa heißt es. A click. CG. Good morning. Vice versa. Good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Lassen wir nun mit ein bisschen Neues. Funny, als ich gefühlt ein bisschen die Anxiety habe. Today is a good market. Whoa, sorry CG. Today is a good day for the steak market. Stock market. That's good. I hope so. Bei mir arbeitet es nicht echt. Das ist der Mama. Will sagen, absolutely, positively, 100%ly. This is nicht kein financial advice. So please be careful. Ich lerne nicht aus, wie sie mit Trade. Ich will nicht kein Trading School. Kijk eens wie ein Kind oder ein Adult, du spielt Lego und weiß nicht, was hit. So, don't copy trade. Ich spiele mal stammer so herin. With that out of the way, wir nehmen Zeit, not financial advice. CG, bei mir ist echt nicht, so hat nicht getan bei mir bei der Market. To be quite honest, it's not really, the overall market helped eigentlich, but bei mir ist es nicht echt so prevalent. Because ich spiele mich herin mit Penny Stocks heißt es. President Trump Middle East trip yields major deals. President Trump is visiting the Middle East, securing up to $1 trillion in investment from Saudi Arabia and Qatar and the UAE. Agreements including significant deals with Boeing and Raptor drones, and a temporary Air Force One aircraft carrier gift by Qatar. Das habe ich gesehen echt nicht. Bekommen ein Guide bekommen, hat bekommen a present in Qatar. An Air Force One. Just imagine the left is booming. Bribery. President Trump plans to announce an exclusive order to lower U.S. drug prices by implementing most favorable nation pricing policy. Macht some major changes. Good for us, good for him. It has been a while, CG. The live 8:45 has been a few already. Weil ich bezahle den Ayas von 8:45 beëdig bis 9 als eigen. Flood threats increased from North Carolina all the way down to Miami. CG, I think 9 is better. Then let man in the US of A, and jeder hat seine opinion, and you could definitely have that opinion. Yankee T. Good morning, Yankee T. How you doing? Hello and welcome. A flash flood threat intensifies today for areas from western North Carolina to Miami, already impacted by tropical storm Helene. Residential are advised to stay alert as more storms are expected to come in the next few days. Oi wei. Zum Beispiel vergessen von der vorigen Mal. Philippines holds general election. What's going on with my mic? Ach, es ist nicht gut. It's not good. Lass geben Masse. Oh, okay, kannst du sagen. Double? What about now? Is it better now? Perfect. Lass mal geben Masse. Darf ich reingehen zu meinem Channel? Test 1. Test 1. Ah, okay. Jetzt arbeitet es. Alright. Ja, weil wenn sag mal 10 Sekunden eine zweite. We're schon ein Professional. Thank you, though. Thank you für das aufbringen. Ich kann für das sagen. Appreciate. Als ich sehe, schön du, gebe hit the like button. If you don't mind. Und auch, dass du bist nicht subscribed.
What are you doing?
Hit the subscribe button. Philippines hold general election. Today, the Philippines are conducting in general elections. With all 317 seats in the House of Representatives and 12 of 24 Senate seats up for grabs. This election will determine the composition of the 20th Congress of the Philippines, set to take place June 30th. Und man gesagt hat, die Philippines haben dasselbe System wie die United States of Americas. U.S.-China trade talks. Market rose after the U.S. and China announces a 90-day tariff pause following productive negotiations in Geneva. American levies on Chinese goods will drop from 145 to 30%, and the Chinese levies on the U.S. goods will fall from 125 to 10% for this period. Nice. Das ist typical Trump. Wenn kommt ran in the office und sagt, will machen a 30% tariff, weil der Oilem geschrien und geweint. Wo ist das? Und kommt ran, macht das exuberant numbers. 145. Crazy numbers. Und nur wenn geht kommt auf zurück zu 30. Oh, it's not that bad. We can deal with that. And the goal had been achieved. You get what I'm saying? It's kind of clever. It's kind of clever. Schleppt die richtige Levels. Ukraine-Russian developments. Ukraine President Zelensky expresses readiness to meet Russian President Putin in Turkey after the US President urged whom direct talks. YG.
Hello and welcome.
Whoops. Hello and welcome, YG. Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Schkoier. Wir machen dann sehr frei. Mit Viggy. Russia rejects a 30-day ceasefire proposal by Ukraine and European allies, pushing for direct negotiations instead. That is the way to go. Never those the middlemans. Guys straight to the Presidential Alliance. Kurdish militant group disbanded. The Kurdish Workers' Party, PKK, announced a historic decision to disband and disarm after 4 decades of conflict, following a party congress in northern Iraq. Cool. What's on the goal today? Ich habe stam ausgetreide goal. Wieso kijkt das aus auf Enkerzaat, the goal? Gebe sa kick. Sam. Sam. Yes tariff, no tariff, yes tariff, no tariff, yes tariff. Good morning, Sam. Deze was Trump dit. Pflegt sagen, there were 1 million people. 750,000 people. For sure 300,000. But nobody's arguing that was als gemeint 2000. Hat das a certain Weg von reden. He gets deals durch. He's one of a kind. You might not like him, but still who he is. India-Pakistan tension after India May 7th strike on Pakistan and Pakistan administrative Kashmir, Qatar Prime Minister held separate calls with India and Pakistan, official to de-escalate tensions. A ceasefire was followed by the press conference from India military on May 11th. That's good. And davon weniger killing. Ba, ba, da, 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 da. NASA activities. Precision sounding rockets are scheduled to launch from NASA WOPA's flight facility in Virginia between May 11 and 18. With no live updates, astronauts aboard the International Space Center engage in STEM outreach with students in New York. Didn't understand what that means. What do you think is going to be Trump's big announcement? Ich habe gemeint, das hat mit the pharmaceuticals. And is the pharmaceutical big announcement? I thought that was the big announcement. Het nog eens gemaakt, de grootste announcement? Ich habe gemeint, het schon gemacht, de grootste announcement. Don't know, you tell me. I thought it was the Medicaid Zach. As medicine. It's gonna drop the price. Trump Shrabdo. So the fact that the Defense Department is getting a gift free of charge of a 747 aircraft to replace the 40-year-old Air Force One temporarily is a very public and transparent transaction. So brother the crook, Democrats, they insist we pay top dollar for the plane. Anybody can do that. The Dems are the world's class losers. Mega. Fine. Chaim. Good morning, Chaim. How you doing? Hello and welcome. I'm happy to announce, schreibt Donald Trump, that Idan Alexander, an American citizen who has been held hostage since October 2023, is coming home to his family. I am grateful for all these involved in making this monumental news happen. Just imagine the family. So lang in Gaza, man nimmt up buildings mit Sachen, und dein Kind, dein family member lebt noch. This was a step taken in good faith toward the United States and the efforts of the mediators, Qatar and Egypt, to put an end to this very brutal war and return all live living hostages and remains to their loved ones. Hopefully this is the first of those final steps necessary to end a brutal conflict. I look very much forward to do that day celebration. Yossi Braver. Good morning, good morning. Zijn we zurück zu Thai? Uns gehen wir nicht geben, Mascherei. Coffee is good. Amachai. Everything is up. That's good. That's good. The oilum is... Waji, ich sehe du a tweet von ihm. 6:24 a.m., 5:12. Hand in the free. Drug prices to be cut by 95% plus gasoline, energy, groceries, and all other costs. Down. No inflation. Love. DJ T. Ich liebe den Weg, wie er schreibt das, also wie seine eigene Company. Zit dat over. Like, oh, love. Love Macy's. Crazy, wie draait in de Welt. En alles is transparent. Meaning, any andere president dit etwas, hat man keinmal nicht gewusst. Hat keinmal nicht gewusst. Like, wo ist wenn, wie? Du weiß man, gleich. There's no questions. I didn't check out the news yet, so I guess this is it. I think so. This is the letzte 6:24 this morning. Oh, wow. How about each? Okay. Sind wir done mit den Ayas? Wir gehen changen. Ba, ba, da, 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 ba. Okay, lass mal zurückgehen, du. Sehen, wo das ist. Three, two, one, go. Shia! Shia schreibt. Good morning, Shia. Russia completely ignoring ceasefire calls. Attacking all along front lines, Ukraine. Foreign Minister says. Da. KDLY. De Dua stak was gegangen hand van $4 all the way to $28. YG, zu wem redst du? Who you talking to or about? Down. Avi. Morning, Avi. Welke announcement? Which announcement are you talking about?
Alles ist fin Himmel Burich Hashem. Alles ist fin Himmel Burich Hashem. Alles ist
Ich habe nicht gemacht, anything.
Burich Hashem, alles ist fin Himmel, Burich Hashem. Burich Hashem,
Burich Hashem.
alles ist fin Himmel, Burich Hashem. Burich Hashem,
Shia, wie ist mir das geschickt?
Burich Hashem, alles ist fin Himmel, Burich Hashem. Burich Hashem, Burich Hashem, alles ist fin Himmel, Burich Hashem.
Ich habe die Settings umgesetzt, das hat mich lassen wissen. You got it. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. Ba, da, ba, di, da, da. 273.